my space stuff in this backpack.
Alright, I'm recording. Do it, TJ.
Are you ready?
Alright. Let's count you down.
Shit. Oh shit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Holy
Oh
shit!
What the fuck, dude? You
He
guys
was
are
like the
retarded.
challenger, but he fucking died.
This is why I need my armor, man. I didn't get a chance. Like that fire just disintegrated.
Holy shit! Whoa. Earth?
You'll stream this.
Oh yeah, huh?
That was pretty fucking sick. What the fuck? Oh my god, what the fuck just happened?
Earth, moon. I can make a space station. Oh no, I
Work?
can't. Alright, I'm going to the moon. Here we go. This shit's gonna explode, I swear to god. Like,
What the fuck? Dude, somebody just used to fucking like time skip.
why is the moon Earth?
Why is it warning? What is happening?